Hello everyone and welcome to the JavaScript Backend development playlist. In this series, we will start right from the basics, understanding how programming languages work and gradually move toward advanced backend. Let's begin by understanding how JavaScript actually runs on our computers. Before we start coding, it's important to know what happens behind the scenes. Every programming language, whether it's C, Python or JavaScript, is essentially a way for us to communicate with the computer. But the computers doesn't understand our text-based codes directly. It only understands binary numbers, zeros and ones. So we need something that can convert our code into machine language. That's where interpreters and compilers come into the picture. A compiler translates the entire code at once. An interpreter, like in JavaScript, executes the code line by line, making it easier to test and debug. This translation is handled by what we call JavaScript engine. Originally, JavaScript was designed to work only inside browsers. It helped web pages become interactive, handling things like button clicks, animations, or form validations. Each browser has its own JavaScript engine. Chrome uses V8, Firefox uses SpiderMonkey, Safari uses JavaScript Core. Let's try something simple to see this in action. Open your browser, press Ctrl+Shift+I to open the developer tools. Then go to the console tab and type console.log. When you press enter, you will see the message appear in the console. That's JavaScript running inside your browser, interpreted by browser's built-in engine. However, at this stage, JavaScript could only work with web pages. It couldn't access your file systems or run backend operations. These limitations changed in 2009 when some people created Node.js. They took Chrome's V8 engine and built a new runtime around it using C++. Allowing JavaScript to run outside the browser directly on your computer. This was a major milestone in web development. Now developers could use JavaScript not just for front-end work, but also for server-side programming to handle APIs, databases, file systems, and more. In short, Node.js brought JavaScript from the browser to the entire operating system, making it one of the most versatile programming language in the world. Now that we know why Node.js is so important, let's set up our environment. Step 1. Install Node.js. Go to https://nodejs.org. Then go to downloads. Here you can see the options. So there are some previous versions that you can install. I will use version 2022. LTS version means long-term support, stable and recommended for most users. And current means includes newest features mainly for testing. So I'll go with LTS. Then scroll down, choose your operating system. I will choose Windows. Then architecture, I will choose 64. Download with your preferred method. Here I will choose Windows installer. And download will start. Now you can see downloaded software inside your downloads folder. To install it, you need to just double click and it will install it. Once installation is done, open your command prompt or terminal. Then simply type node -v and press enter. If you are able to see the version of the node, then it's successfully installed in your computer. And now you are ready to run your program on your terminal without using a browser. Now the next step is to install a VS Code, a IDE where we can write code. For that, you need to go to the Chrome, search on the Google VS Code install. Here you will get the first link, which is https://codevisualstudio.com. Then you will able to see download Visual Studio Code page. Here I will choose Windows 11. And click on it. After clicking on it, it starts to downloading my VS Code. Now just install the VS Code. Now we will move to write our first program using our VS Code. Now just open the VS Code. Just click on the option is file. Just click on it. Then here you will get so many options. You need to choose open folder. This file explorer will open and create a new folder for your JavaScript. And then open that folder and select that folder. Here I have opened one folder in my VS Code. Now to create a new file, you need to just click on this logo, which is new file. Then click on this. You need to give the file name for your code. Give it like app.js. End the file with .js extension. Just remember, give the name of file whatever you want. In the last, you need to give this .js. And here you can write your first program. Now we will write our first program. Console.log these brackets hello world. Now this is the program that we have written. Now after writing this program, just press Ctrl plus S means you are saving your program. Now you have written your program, but you also need to run it. Look at the left sidebar of your VS Code. Here you will get option called extensions. Just click on this symbol. Search here for code runner. You will get this extension. Just click on this. See this image. Just click on install and it will get installed in your VS Code. So we have written our code, also saved our file. To run our program, we need to click on this button. And this is our output, hello world, which we have written here. We can change it and we can see the result. After changing, you just need to save the file again and just click again on this run button. You got your results that we have just written here. So this is how you can run your programs outside your browser. So what just happened here? Your JavaScript file was executed directly by Node.js outside your browser environment. This confirms that our setup is complete and JavaScript can now run on our local machine just like any other backend language. So in the next video, we will dive deeper into fundamentals of JavaScript, exploring variables, data types, and how JavaScript executes code behind the scene. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the next part of the series. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next lesson.